All right, so one of the most exciting things to me about the CertiFiber Max module is how regular, how normal it is, how much it is just like any module that would attach to your Versiv 2. And one of the most important parts of this is working with the LinkWare software. So we're going to be in LinkWare here. I'm going to set up a new project and I'm going to say import from connected tester. You'll see we're connected here. Yes, my calibration has expired on this, this beta version of the module. Bear with me. Now, I'm going to select the records to import and I'm going to sort by date and time. And I'm just going to import the tests that we've run today. You got a handful of them here. And I want to be sure that I get this funny TRC verification test result. I was talking that up and how that looks funny. Here we go. These are some inspection tests. Let's select all of those and let's import all of the test results. And here they come. Now this will work with LinkWare Live as well. Today, right now, I have a build that is not playing nicely with LinkWare Live, so I'm going to have to show that to you in the future. Now, I mentioned the TRC verification, and the TRC verification is very important because when I sort these in order of date and time, the first result that I want to see, these are inspection tests, but the very first test that I want to see that somebody's run for the day is what was the condition of the test reference cord. This tells me as a person who wasn't there, who wasn't watching them work, that the test reference cord is in good condition. I can see the loss. Here's the loss on the vertical. By the fiber, we've got 24 fibers because we're testing 24 fiber MPO. We can see that in 1310 and also in the 1550 wavelength. We have a summary, and the summary very similar to CertiFiber. I mean, there's only so much we can show. We're showing 1310 and 1550, and we're reporting the worst measured value. This is the worst loss at 1310 and the worst loss at 1550. We also, of course, have some test information here, what tester was being used, how the tester was set up, which fiber type we had chosen. Again, other than we're not used to seeing this graph of loss across all the fibers, otherwise, this is just regular LinkWare, same as it has always been. Get a quick print preview of our test result. And here is the test. Similar to how we report the loss tests on CertiFiber Pro, we've got a summary here telling us about the worst fiber, the worst loss at 1310 at 1550. This is probably as much as anyone is going to look at, but if you want the details, we have the charts showing what the loss was at 1310 and 1550. We can see what the reference values were at 1310 and 1550. And I don't know if there's another page. Let's see if there is another page here. Because we're going to have a tabular view, and the tabular view, yes, we need all those numbers in a tabular view we can sort because we're not in the tester and we can't click through the different fibers to see the results. So there is LinkWare PC working with the new Fluke Networks CertiFiber Max. Same as all the other ones you've been working with. Same software you've always been working with, same software you're familiar with.